Rinkal Patel belongs to a pharma background and now became a software tester from STAD Solution. Let's hear from her. How would you describe yourself?
Myself Rinkal Patel. I completed MSc with Organic Chemistry in 2019. My past experience in pharma sector.
During the training, what are things that you learned?
Yes, during manual testing, I've learned how to create test scenarios, how to create test cases, work report, traceability metrics, how to create test plan, test reports. And in automation testing, I've learned basics of Java, Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDrive, Postman, etc.
How was your online training experience?
My experience was like it doesn't feel like that it's like we are sitting in online class. It was like face to face, just a screen in between. It was a very good experience. Yeah, I highly recommend STAD Solution who students who want to switch their career to non-IT to IT field. Thank you.
After training, Rinkal Patel got placed at Budventure Technologies.